Hello. Hi, Mark. Good morning. Oh, Magalang. Medyo malayo ka. Ang layo na ng Magalang sa amin. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Anong work mo, Joms? Anong work mo? Oh, balik na ako sa Saturday sa SG. Anong trabaho mo sa Singapore? Hi, boy. Hello. Aircraft mechanic. Wow, nice job. So, nasa Magalang ka ngayon. Hi, Fard. Hi, Sam. Hello. Ilan taon ka na? Bata ka pa. 26. Hello, hello, everyone. Good morning. Medyo antok pa yung hosting. How long have you been here in Bigo, Miss Max? I think it's 4 days. I'm new here in Bigo Live. Hello, hello. Yeah, very new, yes. Hello, good morning, everyone. Please follow me. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Sorry. Gala mo na lang. Gala na lang muna ako mag-isa. Yes, mas masarap gumala na mag-isa. Hi, Estoy. Hello. Hi, Kenji. Hi, Pewang Rindu. Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Hello, Esdor. Hello, good morning po. Good morning. Hi, Awin C. Beloso. Hello. Hi, Dal. Hello. Guys, pa-follow. Ay, not yet. Elmer, not yet. Hi, Monch. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Erica. Good morning. Hi, Hanzo. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. You should grab something to eat breakfast later. Hi, Nathan. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, okay. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hello. Hi, Lancer. Hello. Good morning. Hi, Smile. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Danilo. Good morning, guys. Guys, please follow me. How old are you? Same age maybe. I'm already 28, Elmer. How about you? Hi, hello. Where? You're joking. Hi, Bird. Good morning. Good morning. No, I'm not joking. Really? You're only 28? Hi, Dark Angel. Good morning. Stalk my profile and you'll find out. Later. Hi, Robert Tan.